Have you forgot your Apple ID password? No need to worry. I'll show you how to reset it quickly and regain access to your account. Your Apple ID is essential for accessing iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services. So if you can't log in, resetting your password is the best solution. So let's get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down. Then navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. And you have to turn off Stolen Device Protection right from here. Initially, you'll have a security delay of an hour, so you have to come here again after an hour to turn this off. Once turned off, go back. And swipe all the way to the top of the settings. And tap on your iCloud account. Then navigate to Sign In and Security. Under Security, you'll see an option to change password. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode. And now you can enter your new password, and the password will be updated. Make sure to use at least one capital letter and a number or a special character. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Apple ID password without needing the old password. Remember to always use ethical practices and prioritize device security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.